Hola y muy bienvenido. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. And today I'm really excited because since a long time I was thinking about how can I create a video where we can actually study together. And today you will see how. Today we will study Spanish greetings and how to introduce yourself in Spanish. Okay, there are simply two steps. Our first step is what we will see now. I will just present you 15 sentences and expressions you need to know to master this topic. So let's get started with step 1 and later you will see step 2. And always remember, if you want to dive even deeper into Spanish learning, check out my free Spanish course for beginners on YouTube. Okay, just check it out. Okay, so let's see the Spanish greetings and how to introduce yourself. Our first thing is hola. No? That means hello. Okay. Number 2. ¿Cómo estás? What do you think is the translation here? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Okay, this is how are you. Number 3. Estoy bien, gracias. No, that's actually the answer. I'm fine, thank you. Number 4. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? And the answer? Me llamo Marcus. My name is Marcus. Or actually what we say, I'm called Marcus. Okay, next one. Encantado. No? Means nice to meet you. No? So you can say encantado. If you are a girl, you should say encantada with an A. Okay. Number 7. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? And the answer? Soy de España. Soy de España. I'm from Spain. Number 9. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Tengo 20 años. I'm 20 years old. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Vivo en España. I live in Spain. ¿Hablas español? Do you speak Spanish? Hablo un poco de español. I speak a little Spanish. And the last one, ciao. No, bye. So these are the 15 sentences. Here you just get a main idea what we will learn. And in our second step, we will use Quizlet. Quizlet is a flashcard trainer. And there we will study those sentences together. Let's go. So here we have my learning set on Quizlet, no? To learn the basic greeting introductions in Spanish. Okay, you see, Quizlet is a kind of flashcard trainer. It's free. The basic version is free. There's also a pro version, but it's not necessary to update to the pro version. Okay, so just register on Quizlet and you can study this study set. Okay, so let's see what we can do with Quizlet. You have different activities and also different learning modes. In our case, we will study with the flashcard mode. Okay, so first you can go to options and I like to track my progress. So just activate this and then you can also decide if you want to listen to the sentences. I keep it deactivated because I will say the sentence to you. But if you activate this, you can also choose between the speed. You can say it's slow or normal. Okay, in our case, we just deactivate it because I will tell you everything. So let's get started. So do you remember how do you say hello in Spanish? Okay, every time you can pause and think, and then you can play the video and to see the answer. Hello in Spanish, hola. Okay, Now when you track your progress, you can decide if you know it or you don't know it. In our case, I will mark every sentence one time that we didn't know it and we're still learning. And in the second time, I will mark it like no. Okay, so hello, hola, here. How are you? How do you say this in Spanish? Pause the video if you need to. ¿Cómo estás? No? ¿Cómo estás? So I mark again, still learning. I'm fine, thank you. Estoy bien, gracias. Estoy bien, gracias. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? My name is Marcus. Me llamo Marcus. Me llamo Marcus. Nice to meet you. Encantado. Encantado. Okay, if you're a girl, encantada. Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? I'm from Spain. Soy de España. How old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? I'm 20 years old. Tengo 20 años. Tengo 20 años. Where do you live? ¿Dónde vives? I live in Spain. Vivo en España. Do you speak Spanish? ¿Hablas español? I speak a little Spanish. Bye. Ciao. Okay. So we need to still learn 15. So let's focus on the 15 still learning cards. So we press here. So now you remember hello? Hola. Yes. Then you can mark it correct. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? No? ¿Cómo estás? Don't worry. If you need to, you can replay this video and so you can study more. Okay? Don't worry about it. So, correct. I'm fine, thank you. Estoy bien, gracias. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? My name is Marcus. Me llamo Marcus. Nice to meet you. Encantado. Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? I'm from Spain. Soy de España. How old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? I'm 20 years old. Tengo 20 años. So, here we will take a little break because I like to show you something of my basic Spanish course for beginners. Because in this course I go even further. So let's see this. In my Spanish course for beginners on YouTube, you learn with a story, the story of Leo. And here, for example, the sentence tengo 20 años, because Leo is 20 years old, no? We work actually additionally with pictures. Okay, so every sentence in my basic course for beginners has a picture. So you relate the sentence tengo 20 años to an image. Okay, and to make it even better, I use colors. So here we have a green background color because the verb tener ends in er, and so it's in this group. If it would be end in AR, it would be a blue background color. And you see there's a little red dot. This red dot reminds you that tengo is irregular. So tengo is irregular. Okay, so in my course, remember we will use images and colors to understand everything much easier and with more fun. And always remember, this course is for free on YouTube, so check this out and feel free. But now let's go back to our Quizlet learning lesson. So now we are back here, and tengo 20 años was our answer. Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay. ¿Dónde vives? I live in Spain. Vivo en España was the answer. Vivo en España. Sorry, my mistake. Do you speak Spanish? ¿Hablas español? I speak a little Spanish. Hablo un poco de español. And the last one, bye. Do you remember? Ciao. Okay, ciao. And then you have it here. Okay, so this is actually how it works. Always you can replay the video without any doubt to hear me and saying the sentences. But I have a good news. I also created this learning set that you can use it by yourself. So if you want to, please click over here in the right corner and you get access to this learning set. And you also find the link in the description of the video. So that's all about to introduce yourself. Please let me know. Please let me know maybe which sentence is also necessary to learn to introduce yourself. So leave it in the comments, please. And please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel that you don't forget any additional content. And also you can find the link to my free Spanish course for beginners on YouTube in this corner and also in the description. So thank you very much for watching, and I see you in our next video.